we're using here at Forti EDR a mixture of machine learning as well as behavioral-based analysis, because we found that with behavioral-based analysis, we get the best protection and best detection and really good operating system support, because we use the same collector, the same agent on every Windows machine. For example, Forti EDR, we go back as far as Windows XP Service Pack 2 all up to Windows 11. It's the same agent that goes into all the Windows machines. That being said, behavioral-based agents are that much better, but there's a caveat, and there's a reason why not everyone's running the EDR right now. It's different. It is very different from the old signature-based set it and forget it, let it auto update. There will be false positives. EDR requires tuning. Okay, you have to have people either on your team or a third party. Gartner's saying 60% of people will be going with a managed service by 2025. That being said, you need people to tune out the false positives. You need people to do a lot of different things to make sure that it interoperates with what you're doing.